All right, student, let's talk about your case study plagiarism detector Word document upload. Case study Word document upload is a required component of the case study. If you fail to upload the Word document to the plagiarism detector, it is an automatic failure on the assignment. So you must upload the Word document, and whatever Word document you upload will be the Word document I grade. So if you upload a blank Word document or a corrupted Word document, then you will be graded at a 0 because you've uploaded nothing. So make sure that you submit the assignment. Make sure you submit in the correct format. This is a Microsoft Word document, a doc or docx. I can't imagine anyone still using a doc since it's over 15 years old, but you never know. Doc or docx. It cannot be in an Apple format. It cannot be in a WordPad format. It cannot be in anything. Microsoft Word is free to you as a student. You must download and utilize the Microsoft Suite while you're here at TCC. Deadline, the assignment must be submitted before the deadline, which is always Friday at 5 p.m. That is the start at 5 p.m. So at 4:59 and 59 seconds, you have 1 second left to submit. The second it turns to 5 p.m., the deadline is over. The plagiarism detector will detect your system for plagiarism. It will detect for AI use and do all kind of fun things. If you are found to be heavily plagiarized, it will result in a 0 in the assignment. And if you do it twice, of course, will result in a 0 in the class. So this is a required piece. Make sure you upload it. Once you open this up, once the class is going, you will scroll down. There will be a post. You will simply attach the Word document and submit. If I have any questions about the case study Word document plagiarism detector upload, please let me know.